and thank you for stopping by my cooking channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian catfish pepper soup. If you are interested in this kind of content, then please keep watching. To begin, I will add some clean catfish stick into my pot. Next, I am going to go in with some spring onions, some purple onions, ginger and garlic, and some habanero peppers. So, whenever I cook fish, I do not like to stir the fish because I do not want it to fall apart in the pot. I like to gently shake the pot to combine the content. Next, I am going to let it steam for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to start adding the spices. First, I will go in with some fish seasoning and some bouillon powder. I will also be adding some fresh sweet corns to this pepper soup dish, and then I'm going to add some water to the level of the catfish. I'm going to leave it to cook for 15 minutes. And this is Iden fruit, also called prekes. It is one of the most important spices in Nigerian pepper soup recipe, and it gives it a lot of flavor. So I'm just going to add it to this catfish pepper soup recipe. I am also going to add these 3 spices. Over here I have pepper soup spice, which is the most important spice when making pepper soup. I am also adding uziza spice and crayfish powder. Catfish pepper soup is one of the easiest Nigerian recipes that you can make. I am going to cover the pot and cook for 10 more minutes. I added a dash of uziza leaves just for that local pepper soup flavor. Combine everything together and this recipe is ready. Pepper soup can be served on its own or with a side of white rice or some bread. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.